crazy. In Oman, there's no seller in Oman. So they're selling fresh juices. So if you want to buy something, you just send it to this number, and yeah, there's nobody stealing the drinks or anything. As you can see, he's just bought stuff right now. In the UK, this whole thing would have been robbed already, but this is the good thing which I like about Oman. Wow, it's amazing. No way. Like and subscribe for more.
Yeah, thank you. Salam alaikum, my people. You heard what he said. In Oman, this is a place where the democracy came from Quran. You don't need to sit by your goods. You just put place, phone number, account number, anybody that comes there, and the price. We just take. You are not afraid that somebody will come, take it without paying you. You see, this is light and sounds of Islam. This is how it be. This is how it goes. You understand? And in this kind of society, you see people reverting, people taking themselves to mosque, taking themselves, people are not scared. You see them reverting. You see, look at this. This is a blind man decided to go and take Shahada.
God but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Inshallah.
Yeah, you see, this is going on all over. This is going on all over. This is going on all over Europe. This is going on all over Europe. This is going on all over Europe. You understand? And I would like you to watch this one also.
Alhamdulillah, our sister, what's your sister's name? Geraldine took a shahada. We learned the paradise. We take the Quran as well. Salam. May Allah bless her, bless her, bless her. I bear witness, I worship in one God, and we call him in God in Arabic Allah, yeah? And then you say, I accept all the prophets, including Muhammad as a prophet, the final prophet, yes? So you repeat after me. Ashhadu, and...
Yeah, it goes on this way, it goes on this way, it goes on this way. This is, nobody, these people, the two people you saw now have lived their life. The two people you saw now have lived their life. They are not, nobody's forcing them to be Muslim. They took themselves to go and take Shahada. This is light and sounds of Islam and the society that is working well. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.